I'm on a runway and I've got 4 high-performance all-wheel drive cars with me. So I'm in a Mercedes-AMG E63 Estate. Next to me is an Audi RS6 Performance. Next to that is a BMW M760Li. Next to that is a Tesla Model S P100d. Let's have a drag race. Ahead of the Audi, but a bit of slip. Come on! That BMW's doing so well, but that Tesla's gone. Can I reel the Tesla in? It's between me and the Tesla. This is so close. Whoa!
So let's see what happened. The 611 horsepower, twin-motored Model S P100d actually had the worst start, but came first doing the standing quarter mile in 11 seconds. The 610 horsepower, 4-litre V8 E63 AMG Estate did it in 11.2 seconds. The 609 horsepower, 6.6-litre V12 BMW M760Li managed 11.3 seconds. And the 605 horsepower 4-litre V8 Audi RS6 did 11.4 seconds.
Right then, we're going to do a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. So I'm going to call it on the radio, countdown, 3, 2, 1, go. Cars, they are in their sporty setting but in automatic, so the engines have to perform, but the gearbox also has to kick down. So here we go, 50 miles an hour. Let's get everyone nice and level. You ready, guys? Right. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, kick down pretty quick. That Tesla is gone. Oh, I'm beating the, yeah, just about to beat the 7 Series. That's right, that's it. Well, that was clear. Tesla, boom. Doesn't have to change down. This had to change down. The other two had to change down. Interesting.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and turn your notifications on to be alerted when we make a new upload.